Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add filter in your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and create a story, and one way to do this is to swipe your screen to the right. So as you can see in this screen, there are circle icons, and adding a filter is as simple as swiping to the left or to the right of those circle icons. So just drag the filter of your choice onto your story, and once selected, you can capture a photo or record a video with that filter applied. If none of these options work for you, you may also swipe until you reach the rightmost option, and there you have the capacity to search for more filters in the Instagram database. Just select the one that you really like. So there's an option for trending filters, aesthetic filters, for filters with games, funny filters, and the like. So just select anything really. But if you want to add a filter without initially selecting one, no worries, because you can choose any picture or video from your camera roll, and once selected, just tap the star icon, and now you can choose a filter to enhance your image or your video. Once you're satisfied, click Done. And from here, you can add additional elements like tags, stickers, texts, and music. And again, once you're satisfied, share that story to your Instagram followers. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!